Good day everybody, we've been given a beautiful question. We got a circle and OA is given to be the radius of the circle, and if you were to see here, the circle is actually passing through this vertex of the triangle. We got this triangle OAB, and angle A is given to be as 90 degrees and AB is given to be as 89. We are expected to find the area of this region. This shaded region is required. So you can pause the video and try to attempt the solution for this question, and then probably you can come and check the solution out. Okay, I hope you have got the solution. The solution is finding the area of this particular region, right? This is the shaded region. So foremost, an observation, we have been given angle at A is equal to 90 degree. So thereby we can use Pythagoras. So what I would do here is I would say consider triangle BAO, right? BAO by Pythagoras, the most important theorem. We know that, so I will be applying Pythagoras. So AB squared plus OA squared is equal to OB squared. Now let me take OA over here. Let OA, it's given to be the radius, right? So I'm going to take this as R, and OB, say I will take OB to be equal to some B units. So AB is 89 squared, OA is R squared, OB is B squared. So I'm going to rewrite this as 89 squared is equal to B squared negative R squared. So this is what I've got. Now you can use your calculator and find out what is 89 squared, right? 89 squared. Okay, that's going to be 7921. So 7921 is equal to B squared negative R squared. Now I can rewrite B squared negative R squared as B minus R times B plus R is equal to 7921. Okay, now what I wish to do is I would like to utilize the property from algebra. So what is that? This is the algebraic property. If AB, A times B, if it is equal to say some M, then I can always rewrite this as AB is equal to M times M. Then either A is equal to M and B is equal to 1, or A is equal to 1 and B is equal to M. So you can utilize this property. So what I wish to do is I would like to rewrite 7921 as 7921 times 1, and then I would write this in this fashion: B minus R times B plus R. I would like to write it as B plus R times B minus R. So from this property, if AB is equal to M, then either A is equal to M and B is equal to 1, or A is equal to 1 and B is equal to M. So by this property I can rewrite this as, so this means B plus R is equal to 7921 and B minus R is equal to 1. So you actually, to solve, it's okay that we take one combination, that's fine. Now if you can actually rewrite 7921 as a product of two other numbers, then the combination will change. Now this is equation 1, so I can state here from 1. Now similarly, if I can rewrite 7921, what is it? It's nothing but 89 times 89. So if I were to write it like this, then you would have b plus r times b minus r. So simultaneously from 2 you can rewrite this as b plus r is equal to 89 and b minus r is equal to 89. So this is from 2 and this is from 1. So I will be utilizing only this. Now I will tell you the reason for that. So from 1 we got that b plus r is equal to 7921 and b minus r is equal to 1. So what I wish to do is I would like to add these two. So let me take this as say sum 3, take this as 4, adding it I get 2 times b is equal to, you add them up, so this is going to be 7922. So therefore the value of b is 7922 divided by 2, which means b is equal to 2 times 3 is 6, 9 2s are 18, so carry 1, 6, 2 times 6 is 12 and you have a 2 and that's 1, 3961. You multiply by 2 you get 2, 6 2s are 12, 2, 1, 9 2s are 18, 19, 1, 3 are 6, 7. Okay, fair enough. So you have got the value of b. Now put b in 3. Okay, put this value in 3 to get r. I need to get the value of r. So that would mean I know b, so it's going to be 3961 plus r is equal to 7921. Of course you could have placed it here, right, but it doesn't matter. So r is equal to 7921 minus 3961. So what is that going to be? 7921 minus 3961. So that's going to be 3960. So r is equal to 3960. So this is what you got. Now if you would have placed it over here, the value of r, or I would say the value of b, 3961 over here, you flip it on the other side, the value is going to be the same, 3960. So just go back to the question. 3960 is the radius. Okay, 3960 is the radius. Now you might be asking me, is it necessary for us to solve this? Don't bother about solving this. You know why? I'll tell you the reason. Now from this figure we have got the completion of the Pythagoras theorem. This is 89, this is 3960. Now the value of b is going to be 3961. So you've got the completion for the Pythagorean triangle, or for the Pythagorean system. Now you might be asking me why I do not solve this. You know why I don't solve this? Because 89 is a prime number. Now if a given side is prime, then you will only have one Pythagoras or one Pythagorean triple. So that would mean 89, 3960, 3961 would be the only quantities that will solve or that will satisfy the Pythagorean rule. What is the Pythagorean rule here? AB squared plus OA squared is equal to OB squared. So this is the only quantity that will solve this. In other words, you will not get any other Pythagorean triple to solve or to satisfy the Pythagoras theorem. That's not going to happen. Why it's not going to happen? Because this number is a prime number. So that is the reason there is no use or there is no point in going in solving this. So that is unwanted wastage of time. If you are writing a program, is a wastage of processing time, and time is money, and money is an expensive commodity, so you have to conserve everything. So having mentioned that, I'm not going to be even trying to make an attempt of solving this, so there's no use. So I'm satisfied with this, and because of the statement, or I would say because of the law, because 89 is a prime number. Okay, so that is not the question, right? The question actually wants us to find the shaded region. So what am I going to do? Now we are actually interested in getting this region, right? So what I wish to do is, I will find the area of the triangle. So get the area of triangle BAO, right? And from that you take away the sector. Maybe I'll place a P here. You take away the sector area. So the sector is OAP. Alright, so you need to get the value of theta, right? So what I wish to do is, I would like to take this side, opposite side, divided by hypotenuse. So sine theta is opposite side divided by hypotenuse side. So what is my opposite side? 89. My hypotenuse is 3961. So 89 divided by 3961. 89 divided by 3961. That is equal to 0.22. I'm just taking, it's actually 0.022, right? The value is 0.022. So this is sine theta, but I need theta. So theta is equal to sine inverse of 0.022. So this will give us the value of theta. So let me get that. So shift sine inverse of 0.022, right? And that is equal to, our theta is 1.26 degrees. This is the value we are getting. Okay, so sector area is equal to theta divided by 360 times pi r squared, which is equal to 1.26 divided by 360 times pi times radius is 3960 squared. This is the radius. Okay, so let me calculate this. 1.26 divided by 360, that is giving me this, multiplied with 22 divided by 7, that is giving me this, right? So this entire thing gives me 0.011 multiplied with 3960, and that is multiplied with 3960 again. So I'm getting the sector area. This is the sector area. Sector area is 172497.6. So that's a huge one. Now area of the triangle. Triangle area of triangle BAO is equal to half times base 3960 multiplied by height 89. So 3960 divided by 2 is going to be 2, 1, 9 2s are 18, 1, 8 and 0, right? 8 2s are 16, 1, 9 2s are 18, 19 and 2 are 2, 3. Okay, that's fine. Multiplied by 89. So 1980 multiplied with 89 that gives me a value of 176220. This is triangle area. So therefore required area, that's a shaded region, 176220 minus 172497.6. okay, so let's do that. 176,220 minus 172,497.6. right, so this is equal to 3722.4 units. It should be square units, right? Now that's the solution. Okay, so this is the solution for this question. It's a lovely question. I know you might be wondering how come these numbers are huge. It doesn't matter, right? Whether it's a number of lesser magnitude or a number of greater magnitude, it doesn't matter to us as long as we are good in with the concepts. So having mentioned that, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and if you have any insightful comments, please share them. Thank you everybody, enjoy it.